Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make banana bread in a steamer. This easy method yields incredibly moist and tender results, often surpassing traditional baked versions. We will cover everything from gathering your simple ingredients to the final steaming process. You will learn how to prepare your steamer, mix the batter perfectly, and achieve that delightful texture. Get ready to enjoy a delicious, fuss-free treat that's perfect for any time of day. Now, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 3 very ripe bananas, which provide natural sweetness and moisture. For the dry components, measure out 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then, add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. These common items will create a wonderfully flavorful banana bread. With your ingredients ready, it's time to mix and steam. First, gently combine your wet and dry ingredients, being careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Pour the batter into a greased, heat-proof pan, like an 8-inch round cake pan. Place this pan into your preheated steamer, ensuring there are about 2 inches of boiling water below. Steam for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until a wooden skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Once steamed, your banana bread is almost ready to enjoy. First, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up before you handle it. Then, carefully invert the bread onto a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents the bottom from becoming soggy. Once cooled, slice and savor your incredibly moist and tender steamed banana bread. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.